I want from you. Please give me 10 hours every day till the election. Daily. All my brothers and sisters, all the young people here, all the men here, I appeal to you to give TFC 10 hours of your time for the next 10 days. And then I promise you, Basandar will give you 5 years of his hard work. Working for you. That's what I want from you. That's all I want from you, and I can tell you, we will do our best. You please give us these 10 hours every day for the next 10 days. And after that, I promise to come back here after we form the government, and I will come here and I will have one hot cup of tea with the team here and all of you.
But Honorable LP Jungi, Brother Derek Abraham, he promised that he'll come here with a cup of tea with our people. But one hangi, when he disha so bhagyang sim, hangi yakata victory tea.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Today, Islam, Derek Abraham LP, hello, TFC, hello. Congratulations,
All the best. Come on, clap for him, clap for him.
Go, dear Bhakti. Contoh. Because we are all when we zero but climb what I will Ukraine no mustaka jini Pakistan bane jini di paitbah. Paitbah ra hai na. Is given and